Workbook, page 71. 3. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Charlie. What are you doing?
I'm doing a project for school.
A project? When must you show it?
On Wednesday.
Wednesday? You have a lot of time then. You have 5 days.
Yes, but I want to do it now.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
What's the project on?
It's on animals. I can choose from 15 different animals.
15 or 50?
15!
That's a lot.
Yes, but I can choose. I don't need to write about all of them, and I'm enjoying it because I love animals.
2.
Which kind of animal are you writing about?
I'm choosing sea animals.
Excuse me? Which kind?
Sea animals. I'm writing about 3 different ones.
3.
Which ones are you writing about?
I'm writing about whales, sharks, and dolphins.
Which of the 3 kinds is your favorite?
Sharks are uglier than dolphins and whales, but I like them better than the others. Sharks are my favorite.
4.
What do sharks like eating, Charlie?
There are different kinds of sharks, but my favorite, the great white shark, eats fish and sometimes dolphins.
Dolphins? And are great white sharks white?
Of course they are.
5.
What's your project called? Does it have a name?
Well, no. It's difficult to choose a name.
Do you like the name water animals?
It's okay, but I like SeaWorld better.
There you are. SeaWorld. That's a good name.
Yes, it is.
How do you spell world?
WORLD.